Alright guys, we're here at Cars in Cantina. Now, I'm holding my camera with my hand right now because in my infinite wisdom, I forgot to grab the plate that attaches it to my slider. So now I'm gonna have to freehand it. I've done that before, so I think that's gonna end up doing all right, but I'm not really happy about it. And I know exactly why it happened, because I was messing around with this setup yesterday for my PC. I tried to record something for my PC and it didn't really work out, but then I didn't put the back plate back on. So yeah, here we are. Now parking lot gold real quick. There's something over here. Can't go wrong with the Focus RS. And during the last show, I was making comments that you never see these anymore. And now there's two right next to each other. Anyway, bunch of music over there. Let's go to the show and let's see what we can see. Oh, wait a minute, channel update, because we didn't have Cars and Coffee last month because it was canceled due to weather, even though it ended up being good weather, as it always is. We are 9,600 subscribers, so we are about 400 away. I think 360 actual away from the 10,000 goal. So with that being said, let's head to the show and see what we can see.
Watching it end again and again. I feel it in waves, you follow me, drifting to places I should leave. So close to the edge of something so perfect. We were too scared to take the leap. I'm missing the way we used to be. Let me go. Close to the edge of something so worth it. You have the world right at your feet. It almost is all we'll ever be.
So if you wonder where all the exit shots are, they're not gonna be any. So because of this whole exit debacle, I'm just gonna shoot some other spots, you know, something that I usually never do. Which is actually also something that I've not done, is shoot supercars, and the entire music section is all supercars, which is interesting. Anyway, let's see what kind of exit shots we're gonna get. I'm beginning to like this. It's no pressure, just nice little flybys. There's no one around me over here. This is good. This is good. So we're back in the car, got myself a drink that I spilled on myself already off camera. Anyway, it is what it is. This show, I don't know how to classify it, because sitting here knowing what I know, I have a bad feeling about it. Like, I haven't edited it yet, I haven't looked at the footage yet, but because I forgot my attachment, I couldn't do the slider thing, and because of the increased police presence, unfortunately, I don't think I'm gonna have many good exit shots. Not the quality, I guess, that you are used to. So, did, however, get some good drive-by shots, but none of the great audio, essentially. So I was kind of all over the place, did a couple of exits, and I'm not sure. I'll stitch something together, and I really hope you enjoyed it. With this, of course, this is December. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and I'll see you in the next year, guys. Of course, I'm gonna go to some other car shows before the year end, but you know how it is. You guys take care, and I'll see you in the flip side.